5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the world of venomous serpents where danger slithers on the ground. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the realm of the most venomous snakes on Earth. Their venom, a potent cocktail of toxins, can debilitate, paralyze, and even kill. Yet their lethal allure has captivated humans for centuries. Each snake holds a unique mix of danger and fascination. Brace yourselves as we delve into the realm of these deadly creatures. Starting at number 9, we have the death adder, a snake with a name as ominous as its bite. Native to Australia, the death adder's venom is a potent neurotoxin, causing paralysis and even death if left untreated. Moving on, at number 8, we find the various species of vipers. These snakes, spread across the globe, possess venom that can cause severe pain, swelling, and in severe cases, organ failure. Our number 7 is the infamous black mamba. Hailing from the savannas of Africa, this snake is not only one of the fastest in the world, but also carries a highly toxic venom that can be fatal. At number 6, we have the taipan, another Australian native. The venom of a taipan is so potent that a single bite can kill up to 100 fully grown men. Coming in at number 5 is the tiger snake. Found in the southern regions of Australia, this snake's venom is packed with neurotoxins, coagulants, hemolysins, and myotoxins, making it one of the deadliest snakes to encounter. Last for this segment, but certainly not least, at number 4 is the blue crate. Although shy and generally nocturnal, this snake, found in Southeast Asia and Indonesia, carries a venom 16 times more potent than that of a cobra. If you've enjoyed this content so far, please give it a like. At number 3, we encounter the eastern brown snake, a creature whose venom can cause paralysis or death. Found primarily in Australia, this snake's venom contains toxins that affect the blood and muscles. Its speed and aggression make it a formidable foe. In the second spot, we find the Belcher's sea snake. This marine reptile, found in the warm tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, carries a venom 50 times more potent than that of the king cobra. Its venom contains a potent neurotoxin that can cause muscular paralysis and even death. Finally, we arrive at our number 1 spot. The fierce snake, also known as the inland taipan, is the most venomous snake on our planet. Yes, you heard it right. This snake tops both our 6th and 1st spots, with 2 distinct species holding its name. The venom from a single bite of this snake can kill 250,000 mice, making it a truly fearsome creature. And there you have it, the fierce snake takes the crown as the most venomous snake in the world. We've journeyed through the world of venomous snakes, from the death adder to the fierce snake. Our journey took us from the forests of Asia to the deserts of Australia, unveiling the 10 most venomous serpents on the planet. These creatures, as deadly as they are, play crucial roles in their ecosystems. Let's appreciate their existence from a safe distance and strive to conserve their habitats. Remember, these deadly serpents deserve our respect and caution. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive, but tread carefully in the world of venomous snakes. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more interesting and curious wild facts. Thank you for watching.